Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a shrimp tank. First, select an appropriate tank size. A 5-gallon tank is a great starting point for a thriving colony. Next, choose a gentle filtration system like a sponge filter to keep your water clean without harming your tiny inhabitants. Finally, add an inert substrate such as sand or a specialized shrimp soil to provide a safe and stable environment for your new pets. Achieving the right water parameters is crucial for shrimp health. Keep your water temperature and pH stable within the recommended range for your specific shrimp species. Always cycle your tank fully before adding any shrimp. This process establishes beneficial bacteria. Regularly test your water for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate to ensure a safe and healthy environment. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just like a well-maintained shrimp tank provides a perfect home, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk about making your tank a home. Incorporate live plants and various decorations to provide ample hiding spots and surfaces for biofilm, a natural food source. When introducing new shrimp, acclimate them very slowly to their new water parameters to minimize stress. Start with a small group to ensure they thrive before adding more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.